A very good morning, students. So today we are beginning with chapter 29, the circle. So let us understand with an introduction. What do you mean by a circle? A circle is a closed curve such that all the points on its circumference or you can even say means the meaning of circumference is the boundary, okay, are equidistance means at the equal distance from a fixed point inside it. Understood? Let's see. For example, this is the center point, okay, and this is your circle. Clear? So it is saying that a circle is a closed curve. You are seeing over here that it is a closed curve such that all the points on its circumference are at the equidistance from a fixed point inside. Okay, so this is the fixed point and the rest of the point are at the equidistance from this point, like this, somewhat like this. This is A, B, C and D. Clear? So this is called the circle. Now next thing is to understand what is circumference. So circumference is the path traced by a moving point. Okay, this is called the circumference. Now what is this center? Center is the fixed part, which I have already told you. Now let us see what is radius. Next is radius. Okay, let me highlight it with a red pen. Radius. Okay, so what is radius? The radius of a circle is the length of the line segment joining the center of the circle with any points on its circumference. With any point on its circumference. अब हम इसे देखेंगे डायग्राम में. Now this is the circle Okay, this is your circle, and see, this is the diameter, the full length of a circle, diameter. और ये रेडियस के बारे में क्या कह रहा है? इज द लेंथ ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल with any point. For example, I am taking this point and joining in the center. Okay, so it is the length of the line segment joining the center of the circle with any point on its circumference. This is the circumference. Okay, and this is the portion of the line segment which is joining at the center. This is called the radius. Understood? What is radius? Now let's see what is diameter. Diameter, a straight line passing through the center of a circle and with both its ends and with both its ends on the circumference of the circle is called diameter. Diameter of the circle. As I've already told you over here, see, it is saying that a straight line passing through the center of a circle. So this is the straight line which is passing through the center of the circle. Okay, and with both ends, और इसके जो दोनों ends हैं वो कहाँ हैं? इसके circumference पे. So this is called the diameter. I hope it is very clear. One thing to be noted down is, note, diameter is two times of radius and radius is half of diameter. Understood? Watch it very carefully. Now our next topic is chord. Okay, let's understand. A straight line joining any two points on the circumference of a circle is called a chord. Okay, this is your circle. Okay, and what it is saying, a straight line joining two points, any two points. एक हम straight line बना देते हैं और कोई भी दो पॉइंट को वो ज्वाइन कर रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल P and Q. ठीक है, और ये आपका डायमीटर है. A और B, ठीक. So a straight line joining any two points on the circumference of a circle. अब इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Chord. Clear? Next. Next is secant and tangent. What is secant and tangent? A straight line intersecting a circle at 2 points, at 2 points is called secant. And what is tangent? A straight line touching a circle at 1 point only is called a tangent. Okay, अब मैं आपको सेकेंड और tangent को सर्कल में बना के दिखा रहा हूँ. Okay, see again, this is the circle. सबसे पहले मैं आपको सेकेंड बना के बताता हूँ. सेकेंड क्या होता है? अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इंटरसेक्टिंग अ सर्कल. तो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन जो सर्कल को इंटरसेक्ट करके जा रही है. ओके, एट 2 पॉइंट्स. तो एक पॉइंट्स आपका ये हो गया और एक पॉइंट ये. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज M and this is N. दिस इज योर A and B. तो ये आपका M और N जो है ये सेकेंड कहलाता है, क्योंकि ये 2 पॉइंट से इंटरसेक्ट होके जा रहा है. क्लियर? नाउ टेंजेंट कैसे कहते हैं? टेंजेंट मीन्स अ स्ट्रेट लाइन पासिंग थ्रू अ सर्कल. ओके, पासिंग a straight line touching a circle at 1 point, not passing, touching. Clear? And at 1 point, this is called the tangent. Okay, I hope it is very clear. These are the very small things you need to be very clear about it. Now next is arc. What is arc? Let us understand. An arc is a part of the circumference of a circle. Clear? Part of the circumference of a circle. So again, see, this is your circle and this is the part which I am drawing. Understood? So this is called, this area, the part of the circumference of a circle, is called arc. This whole portion. Understood? Now let's see next one. Sector. The part of a circle enclosed by any two radii and an arc is called sector. Again, this is the circle and the part of a circle enclosed by any two radii. So this is the two radii and this part of a circle is enclosed within it. ये part इसमें cover up हो रहा है. So this part is called what? A sector. Okay. Clear? Now next is segment. Every chord divides a circle into two parts. These two parts of a circle are called the segments. Segments. Clear? Suppose this is the circle, okay, and every chord divides, means this chord which is touching 2 points and dividing the circle into two parts, okay, this is called the segment. It's a minor segment. Clear? Minor. And this is major segment. Okay. Clear? Now the last topic is the interior and the exterior part of a circle. Okay, so I'm not writing it, I'm explaining it like this. See in the book. See, this is the definition of interior and exterior part. The part of the plane or the set of points in a plane that lie inside a circle. वो point जो सर्कल के इनसाइड में लाई करते हैं उसे हम इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल कहते हैं, और वो पॉइंट जो सर्कल के बाहर लाई कर रहे हैं प्लेन पर उसे हम एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल कहते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू एक्सरसाइज 29A. okay,
Exercise 29A. Exercise 29A, and we shall deal here with circle. In fact, we shall deal with construction of circle. Construction of circle. Now, in the very first sum, that is number 2, they say draw a circle with radius 4.2 centimeter. Means we have to draw a circle whose radius r. I hope you know what is r. So we will come to know in the while teaching you people. We'll come to know what is actually r. Radius r is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Now, the very first most important thing is how to take a radius as 4.2 centimeter. There are many of you who will start directly with the scale, with your scale as 4.2. Means you will start from here and then you will take a point over here, isn't it? Which is wrong. What you need to do is, on your notebook, wherever you get a place, you need to mark 2 points such that its distance is 4.2. So let me mark it. So I am going to mark these 2 points, 1 0 over here and 4.2 over here. So see, from 0 to 4.2 I have 2 dots. Now this is the length they are asking for, that is one point should be your one end of this leg and the other leg will be over here. You can see over here. So this is your 4.2 centimeter. So this 4.2 centimeter is actually your radius of the circle. Means taking this as the one of the leg as the center, we are going to construct a circle. So let me construct a circle. While constructing a circle, please see that the length of this particular pencil should be shorter than the actual length of this leg. Isn't it? Number one. Secondly, do not try to hold it on to here, this portion. It is better you try to hold only one leg of your compass so that the other is left untouched. Isn't it? So see, have a look. Let me press it a little and then I am going to construct a circle, draw a circle. See how beautifully you can construct a circle with radius as 4.2 centimeter. So this is my 4.2 centimeter. And what are they saying? They are saying that this particular center should be marked as O. So I have marked it as O. No issue, no problem. So take a point on the circumference. So this is the circumference. This circle that you see is actually the circumference of the circle, or we also call it as the perimeter of the circle. Now they are saying that take a point A. So I have taken point A. Let me use a red pen. Take a point A over here on the circumference and join AO. So join AO. Let us join AO. So naturally you will use a scale. I am using a scale to join it. I have used a scale to join AO, and then they are saying that join AO and extend it till it meets B on the circumference of the circle. So this was the length we were supposed to join first, and then they say that you extend it. मतलब आगे बढ़ाइए इसको बढ़ा दीजिए here so that this point should meet B over here on the circumference. So we got A, O and B. Now they are asking measure the length of AB. So what will be the length of AB? So you know that AO is your radius. Is your radius, and here its length is how much? 4.2 centimeter. This is your 4.2 centimeter. Clear? Therefore, BO will also be equal to 4.2 centimeter. है ना? BO also equal to 4.2 centimeter. Why? Because it is also the radius of the circle. So AB becomes the diameter. Your AB becomes the diameter. समझो यार अच्छा से, diameter. So AB diameter will be equal to AO or plus BO. So diameter will be equal to 4.2 plus 4.2 is equal to 8.4 centimeter. काम खत्म. Clear? Assign a special name to AB. I have already assigned the special name to AB as the diameter of the circle. Clear? Let's do one more, that is number 3 over here. We can solve number 3 over here. Okay, why to waste pages? They say that Draw a circle with diameter as 8.4 centimeter. So they have given you diameter of circle as 8.4 centimeter. Now when the diameter is 8.4 centimeter, therefore the radius will be equal to how much? The radius radius will be equal to diameter divided by 2. You can clearly see over here that this is the diameter and this is the radius. So radius is equal to half of diameter. So they have given you diameter. अब diameter से सर्कल तो बनेगा नहीं. So naturally you will have to find out the radius. Diameter को आधा कर देना है, which will give you as 4.2 centimeter. So with 4.2 centimeter as the radius, so once again we will have to go back to our measurement, where we find that the measurement should be drawn on your sheet and not on the scale. So this is the 0 point and this is your 4.2. This is your 4.2. So 0 and 4.2. Let me see. Okay, I should have marked with pencil. However, I forgot it. Now, let us take this particular length as 4.2 centimeter. Let me take this as 4.2 centimeter, which was already I had taken it out. However, I showed you over here once again. Now we have to construct a circle. So let's construct a circle. Taking this as the radius, the center of the circle. Let's construct another circle. So here you can see I have drawn another circle. Okay, another circle. This particular point is your O. This particular point you can see is the O. Clear? So in each case measure the length of the radius. Do they think that we are fools? कहते measure the length. अरे भैया, when we have already taken the radius as 4.2 centimeter, तो measure length क्या करूँगा? So we will say that the radius is equal to 4.2 centimeter. कोई बात नहीं है. If they have said, we needn't to get furious. Okay, it's better we obey what they say. So this is OA, and we'll say that this is 4.2 centimeter. ठीक है? चलो. Moving on to the next one. What we have? Draw a circle with radius 6 centimeter. Okay, draw a circle with radius 6 centimeter. So circle, that is number 3. We have a circle with a radius as 6 centimeter. I hope I can see this well. 6 centimeter. In the circle, draw a chord AB equal to 6 centimeter. Achha, we have to draw a chord, isn't it? We have to draw a chord of length 6 centimeter. Okay, so let us do this part first. Now, when they have already given you that the radius should be 6 centimeter, so we will take a length of 6 centimeter on the sheet. 6 centimeter on the sheet. This is our 0 and this is our 6. Okay, so I have taken, no sorry, this is not 6, this is 6. From 0 to 6. So from 0 to 6 here, from 0 to 6, this is what is the radius of the circle. So I am going to draw a circle. Okay, let's draw a circle. Okay, no issue. This is what is our circle, isn't it? Circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay, very good, no issue. This was our center, so I am going to mark this center as O. I am going to mark this center as O. Very good. This is the center and this is the circle. Can you please tell me what is the diameter of this circle? Of course, the diameter will be equal to 6 to the 12 centimeter. However, we are not asked diameter over here. They say that draw a chord इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. अब ये कॉर्ड क्या है भाई? सो व्हाट इज कॉर्ड? कॉर्ड इज अ लाइन, एनी line, okay, which cuts the circumference at 2 points. जैसे if I'll draw a line over here, okay, this is A and this is B, so this line will be chord. Naturally this line also will be chord. Why? Because it touches the circumference at 2 point. If I draw a chord passing through the center, then that particular chord is known as the diameter, isn't it? That is known as the diameter, and diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Okay? Then we have to draw chord 6 centimeter. So how to take length of 6 centimeter? तो देर आर मेनी ऑफ यू, व्हाट यू विल डू इज, आप लोग एक स्केल यहाँ पे रख के और यहाँ 0 और यहाँ पे आप 6 मार्क करेंगे, ऐसे बैठाएंगे फिर ये वाला कि हमारा यहाँ से यहाँ 6 हो जाए. नहीं, दैट इज अ रॉन्ग मेथड. व्हाट विल डू इज we will take a length of 6 centimeter. So this is already a length of 6 centimeter. कहीं पर भी you can take over here, यहाँ पे मैं रखता हूँ, this is the point, let me mark this point, okay, otherwise again it will be difficult for me to see. So I'll take this particular point on the circumference और कहीं पर एक मैं कट लगा दूंगा यहाँ पे कहीं पर, okay, it depends on you, either you give a cut over here or on to other side, it doesn't matter. तो A हो गया यहाँ हमारा, okay, and then B, what are they saying? Draw chord AB equal to 6 centimeter. This is our A, so this is B. This particular point is B. Now when you will join this A and B, the length will be equal to 6 centimeter, isn't it? The length will be equal to 6 centimeter. So हमने क्या किया, हमने join कर दिया A और B को. तो A B हमारा chord हो गया whose length is 6 centimeter. No problem. What are they saying? They are saying that in number is it? This is which number? This is number 4. अच्छा number 4 है यार, कोई बात नहीं है. Again you will comment. This was number 4 and you wrote 3. Means you don't go for the content. You see where the mistake has been done. कि चलो भाई बोलने का मौका मिल गया. Draw a circle. अच्छा, O is the center of the circle. This is the chord. Join OA and OB. So join OA. Let us join. अगर बोल दिया कि OA और OB को join करना है. So I will be joining this with red pen. कहाँ है हमारा red pen? This is OA and OB. OA and OB. Now please can you tell me that what is the length of this OA? ये तो 6 सेंटीमीटर होगा because it is the radius of the circle. ये वाला भी 6 सेंटीमीटर because it is the radius of the circle. Assign a name to triangle AOB. So your triangle AOB का नाम क्या होगा? AOB will be equilateral triangle. क्या होगा जी? EQUILATERAL. Lateral triangle. Okay? Why? Because all the sides are equal. Equilateral. Lateral means side, equi means equal. So equilateral triangle. Okay? Assign a name. Write the measure of the angle AOB. So what is the value of angle AOB? So angle AOB will be equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. Why? Because all the angles will also be equal. When all the sides are equal, all the angles will be equal. So when all the angles will be equal, मान लिया जाए x है, तो x plus x will be equal to कितना? 180 degree. You already know that the sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. 3x will be equal to 180. x का value होगा 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. ठीक है? This is just to show you. Okay? Now draw a circle of radius 4.8 centimeter and mark its center as P. So you can see that the level has started growing. Okay? In number 5 they say draw a circle 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 with radius कितना जी? radius is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Very good. Mark its center as P. तो पहले center radius circle तो बना लूँ. And as I told you, how do we draw? We draw by taking 2 points. By taking 2 points on your sheet. Okay, as the length of the radius of the circle. So 4.8. This is your 1 point, and this is the other one, 4.5. See, this is your 4.5, 6, 7, 8. My 8 will be over here. This is 4.8 centimeter. So after we mark these 2 points, we are going to take the measurement with the help of our compass, and after that we'll construct a circle. So let's construct a circle of radius 4.8 centimeter. Okay, I hope you people do not have any issues with this particular circle. Though I am constructing it with a pen, you people are requested, okay, to draw with the help of pencil. ठीक है, ऐसे तो अगर पेंसिल से करेंगे तो you won't be able to see it. तो फिर फायदा क्या होगा? So I have drawn a circle. Okay, फिर मैंने कोई मिस्टेक तो नहीं किया. हाँ, मिस्टेक किया था ये कि I forgot the point. आप लोग भी हो सके कभी पॉइंट फॉरगेट कर जाए. ठीक है. नंबर 5 and mark its center as P. अच्छा, यहाँ पे not O, I am going to mark it as P. The radius is 4.8 centimeter. Draw radii PA and PB such that APB equal to 45 degree. अच्छा, means we have to draw PA and PB such that the angle between them equal to 45 degree. तो कोई बात नहीं है भाई. Let me first draw radii. This is my one of the radius. radii देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है RADII. RADII radii. So it means plural of radius. Plural of radius. ठीक है, because we are going to draw 2 radius. That is why radii. So PA is one of the radius. और दूसरा वाला कह रहा है कि PB ऐसे करके बनाइए यहाँ पे, ताकि दोनों के बीच का जो एंगल हो that should be equal to 45 degree. तो कोई बात नहीं है. Here you people already have learned how to construct 90 degree. नहीं, पिछले क्लास में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा था कि 90 डिग्री कैसे बनाएंगे. तो 90 डिग्री के लिए we take an arc. Okay, I am going to take an arc over here. Okay, and then that arc should be drawn towards this side, because not towards that side, towards this side. क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है हमारा रेडियस जो होगा, हमारा रेडियस यहाँ पे होगा, एंगल यहाँ बनेगा. आफ्टर यू ड्रॉ दिस, डोंट डिस्टर्ब इट. डिस्टर्ब करना नहीं है. और जितने बार काटूंगा मैं, जैसे मैं यहाँ 1 मिनट थोड़ा सा और बढ़ा लूँ. ठीक है ना. एक बार अगर मैं यहाँ से अगर काटूँ, अगर मैं काटता हूँ तो डैट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 60 डिग्री. फिर यहाँ से अगर मैं काटूँ तो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. ठीक, ये 60 और ये भी 60. मुझे 90 बनाना है, 90 डिग्री. तो इस 60 के बीच वाला अगर लेते हैं, दिस बीच वाला पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट इफ आई टेक इट, तो नेचुरली ये 60 और ये 30 मिलके 90 बनाएगा. चलो कोई बात नहीं है. विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट, फाइंड द पॉइंट थ्रू विच 90 डिग्री लाइन विल पास. तो यहाँ से मैं इसको मैं बाइसेक्ट कर दिया. दिस इज हाउ वी बाइसेक्ट इट. सो आई हैव बाइसेक्टेड इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट I have to join it. So let's join. I forget my pen only. Okay, this is the sharper pen. Okay, so that is why I am using this. So here I have constructed 90 degree. तो क्या मुझे 90 डिग्री चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए, मुझे 45 डिग्री चाहिए. तो जब 45 डिग्री चाहिए मुझे, तो we will have to bisect, मतलब आधा आधा यहाँ से यहाँ तक करना, क्योंकि 90 यहाँ से यहाँ है. आई कंस्ट्रक्टेड 90 जस्ट टू गेट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. मुझे पॉइंट मिल चुका है. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड 45 डिग्री, तो 90 का आधा करेंगे, तो आधा करने का मतलब है यू कैन इंक्रीज दिस आर्क। एक्चुअली आर्क को उतना ही बड़ा करते हैं जितना बड़ा लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क है। जैसे लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क यहाँ से यहाँ ये है, ओके। नाउ इवन इफ इट गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड, तो कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है, isn't it? No problem. So have a look over here. I will be again finding, okay, the point through which 45 degree line will pass. See, so beautiful. Oh my god, where did I got the point? तो point तो यार यहाँ मिला, ये वाला, this is the point, okay. इस point से इस P को मैं join करूँगा, okay. So करो, जब करूँगा क्या करना है, नहीं करेंगे तो फिर दिक्कत में पड़ेंगे। See, I am joining this particular point and this particular point, okay, and particular point. So this is 45 degree, and this line is the radius. So when this is the radius, the point they were asking for was point B. So PA and PB are two radii. Are radii of this are two radius, you can say, each whose angle between them is equal to 45 degree, okay. So these are the two radii whose angle is between them equal to 45 degree. हमने काम खत्म कर दिया, isn't it? Moving on to number 6. Draw a circle. अच्छा, shade the major sector of the circle. What are they asking us? To shade major sector, ठीक है। तो शेड मेजर सेक्टर का मतलब क्या हुआ? शेड मेजर सेक्टर मीन्स दैट these two, the region between these two arc is known as the sector. कोई भी दो रेडियस के बीच वाला जो रीजन है उसको हम सेक्टर बोलते हैं। तो ये छोटा सेक्टर हो गया, तो ये बाहर वाला पोर्शन ये बड़ा सेक्टर हो गया, isn't it? बाहर वाला is the bigger sector. So let me see if I have some other color pen which I can use it to show. Okay, sorry, I do not have. नहीं है, चलो कोई बात नहीं है, I will use this particular pen only. लाल पेन ही यूज करेंगे, चलो नहीं है तो नहीं है। शेड द मेजर सेक्टर, तो मेजर सेक्टर में बाबूजी आप देख सकते हैं ये वाला, ये दिस इज द मेजर सेक्टर, यहाँ से दिस इज द मेजर सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल, मेजर सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल, ये वाला, ये दिस इज द मेजर सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल, ओके। You can clearly see that I have shaded the major sector of the circle. ठीक है? Okay. Moving on to the next one, that is number 6. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw a chord AB. Now shade the minor segment. हाँ. So here they are asking you that ये क्या था? ये sector था. देखो sector. They are talking about sector. So this is major sector. Shall I write over here? MAJOR, मेजर, ये सेक्टर, तो ये मेजर है तो ये माइनर होगा, छोटा वाला, दिस इज योर माइनर सेक्टर, ओके। नाउ आई विल कंटिन्यू विथ number 6 over here only, which they say that draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. तो जल्दी से इसको खत्म कर दे, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, isn't it? So radius of 3.6 centimeter आ जा। So 3.6 centimeter मैं लूँगा यहाँ पे, one point should be over here, और ये 3.5, 3.6, yes 3.6, okay. Where is my compass? My compass is over here. तो ये हमारा 3.6 centimeter हो गया। Now draw a सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 3.6 सेंटीमीटर। मुझे बनाने दो भाई, पहले मैं बना लेता हूँ। सो दिस इज माय सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 3.6 सेंटीमीटर, ओके। where was my center? Okay, see that I do not forget the center. Yes, this is the center. In the circle, draw a chord AB equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is my O as the center of the circle, and they are saying कि इसमें एक AB equal to 5 centimeter. So here once again let me mention it. मुझे mention करना है यहाँ पे that the radius R is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Okay. Now they are saying that the length of the chord should be equal to, हमारा जो chord होगा यहाँ पे, the length of the chord should be equal to how much? 5 centimeter. तो 5 centimeter length लेना पड़ेगा मुझे. So let us take a length of 5 centimeter also. तो मैं यहीं पे, why not to do it over here? Okay. Let me take a length of 5 centimeter. So this is 0 and this is 5. Okay. I have taken a length of 5 centimeter, which I am going to take an arc with the help of a compass. So this length is 5 centimeter length. How to draw a chord? कहीं पर भी यहाँ पे मैं रखूँगा, यहाँ पे मेरा मन है ऊपर में करने का, यहाँ पे I'll take a point over here. तो फिर मैं point भूल न जाऊँ. That is why it's better to mark it as A. Okay. Now there will be no mistake. I have taken this A and I am going to make an arc, not make an arc, cut an arc on the circumference. And this particular point जो देख रहे हैं ना, ये वाला, ये वाला, this one, this particular point is your B. Okay, clear? So this particular point is your B. Now they are saying that draw a chord. So let me draw a chord. कहाँ से कहाँ हमारा scale कहाँ चला गया? तो AB is the chord. Let us join this. So a chord is a line which joins the circumference at 2 points. This is the chord. Now these two region, जब chord बने ना, तो chord will bisect the circle in 2 portion. एक छोटा एक बड़ा. तो छोटा वाला को हम लोग यहाँ पे बोलते हैं माइनर सेगमेंट और ये वाला मेजर सेगमेंट. ठीक है, माइनर सेगमेंट एंड दिस इज योर मेजर सेगमेंट. व्हाट आर दे सेइंग? दे आर सेइंग दैट यू शेड द माइनर सेगमेंट. तो कोई बात नहीं है, ये वाला हो गया, ये वाला, ये दिस इज माय माइनर सेगमेंट. ये हो गया हमारा माइनर सेगमेंट. लेट मी राइट, शैल आई राइट इट ओवर हियर? MINOR, minor segment, while this is your major segment. Clear? Major segment. So they have asked us to shade minor segment, तो minor segment ही करेंगे. तो I hope here you people have clearly understood कि ये sector क्या है और segment क्या है. ठीक है? Okay. Now let us do number 7. Okay, number 7, for number 7, why not to turn the page? Okay, mark 2 points A and B 4 centimeter apart. तो ठीक है भाई, मैं यहीं पे करता हूँ, यहाँ पे. Okay, so I am going to mark 2 points A and B. This is number 7. Okay, see each and every sum is very important. 4 centimeter apart. तो बाबू देखो यहाँ पे, ये यहाँ और ये वाला यहाँ. This is A and B. This is A and B. Okay, which is 4 centimeter apart. So draw a circle passing through B with A as the center. So why not to join this? Okay, let me join this. So they are saying कि आप ऐसे करके सर्कल बनाइए. ठीक है, आप ऐसे करके सर्कल बनाइए. ठीक है, कि passing through B with A as center. This means A should be the center. And B, the circle will pass through B. तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है. तो when A is the center, तो naturally ये जो हमारा जो central point है वो बीच में आना चाहिए, बीच में. ठीक है. Now, and the radius should be equal to 4 centimeter. जब A विल बी सेंटर और B से हमारा सर्कल गुजरेगा, मतलब इफ द सर्कमफरेंस विल लाई ऑन B, मतलब द लेंथ शुड बी और लेंथ ऑफ द रेडियस शुड बी 4 सेंटीमीटर। क्लियर? अब करना क्या है, इतना बोल दिए तो इतना बहुत हो गया, बहुत। देखिए, हाँ, सी this particular circle will really pass through B, whose radius is your 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Okay. So the problem here is how well you understand radius, diameter, sector, segment, isn't it? And then everything will be very easy. Number 8. Draw a line AB as 8.4 centimeter. अब देखो, इसी का जो बड़ा भाई है, okay, elder brother, is number 8, and 8 is very very important. So we are going to do number 8, which is really very important, very important. So it's a must watch. I can see that time is running. कोई बात नहीं है, पढ़ना है तो पढ़िएगा, नहीं तो ऐसे बना के हम छोड़ेंगे, लेकिन करेंगे तो पूरा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. Draw a line AB as 8.4 centimeter. Let me draw a line 8.4 centimeter. So 8.4 centimeter. Now draw a circle 8.4 centimeter. तो बाबू 8.4 centimeter मुझे लेने दो भाई. 8.4 centimeter. Here is 0 and here is your 8.5. This is my 8.4 centimeter. Okay, I am going to join this. Let me join this. I have joined this as a line AB whose length is 8.4 centimeter. 8.4 centimeter. Okay. ड्रॉ अ सर्कल विथ ए बी एज डायमीटर. कहता है ए बी को आप डायमीटर बनाइए. तो ए बी को डायमीटर बनाने के लिए रेडियस चाहिए हमें 4.2, इजंट इट? इसका आधा चाहिए, है कि नहीं? सो 1 मिनट, अगर 4.2 मुझे लेना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ फर्स्ट लेट अस फिनिश, बाद में दूसरा वाला बताएंगे. मुझे लेना है 4.2. So how are you going to take 4.2? It is the same thing. You will take a scale. This is your scale, okay? And now you will take a length 4.2. Means your diameter here was 8.4 centimeter. So your radius will be equal to half the diameter, 4.2 centimeter. So this is 1 and this is my 4.2 centimeter. No problem. Okay. So I have taken the length as 4.2 centimeter. ये हमारा हो गया 4.2 centimeter. और फिर यहाँ से ये B से यानी तो A से let us mark a point of 4.2 centimeter. ठीक? This is the center of your circle. ठीक है? तो center of the circle है हम आपका, तो जाहिर सी बात है मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँगा O. Okay? Now putting this on the center of the circle, you can draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. So here your radius is equal to 4.2 centimeter and you have drawn it. अच्छा, प्रॉब्लम तब होगा, where will the problem lie? प्रॉब्लम तब होगा जब instead of the length as 8.4 centimeter, instead of 8.4 मान लिया जाए 7.7 centimeter ही लेंगे. 7.7 centimeter will be your diameter. नहीं, wait with diameter. Then how you will take? क्योंकि वहाँ पे 7.7 को अगर आप 2 से डिवाइड कीजिएगा रेडियस, तब तो आप फिर फेरा में फंस जाइएगा. You will get 2 how many times? 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. Okay? 2 5s are 10. 3.85 मिल रहा है बाबा. तो जब 3.85 मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, तो how are you going to take it? This is a big question. So in that case, what do? We draw the perpendicular bisector. ठीक है? अच्छा, what do you mean by perpendicular bisector? देख लेते हैं जरा सा. Okay? ओके, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर मतलब कोई भी अगर लाइन हो, ये वाला कोई भी एनी लेंथ, ओके, नॉट ओनली 7.7, एनी लाइन, इफ दिस इज line, for example from here to here is a line, okay, and I am going to find the midpoint of this, क्या फिर से मुझे लिखने दो midpoint, ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स है बेटा, midpoint, midpoint मतलब बीच वाला, ओके, द सेंट्रल पॉइंट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइन, तो ये हो गया हमारा ए, ये हो गया हमारा बी, आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट, तो मिड पॉइंट निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं, वी ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, देखते हैं, इन दिस व्हाट वी डू इज वी टेक अ लेंथ मोर देन हाफ, ये वाला इतना ठीक है, वी टेक ये सी, ये हाफ हुआ, एवरेज हाफ हुआ, अराउंड रफली यू कैन से, थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देंगे यहाँ से थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देंगे, हो गया मोर देन हाफ हो गया, ठीक है, वी टेक एन आर्क ऑफ मोर देन हाफ एंड देन वी कट on the top, we make arcs on the top such that when repeating the same from the other point, we will get two intersecting points, we will get two arcs which intersect at a particular point. Now have a look. So now at the end what we'll do, we'll join this point and this point. So let us join this point and this point. So on joining these two points, ये वाला, on joining these two points, मुझे एक ऐसा पॉइंट मिलेगा यहाँ पे जो कि ये दोनों के बीच में होगा, तो चाहे ये लेंथ 7.7 हो, चाहे 7.9 हो, चाहे 1.3 हो, 3.1 हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Now this is the center of your circle. Okay, so center of your circle कहाँ है जी, ये हमारा सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल हो गया, ये हमारा रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल हो गया, आओ बेटा जी अच्छा से, ये हमारा रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल हो गया, एंड देन वी विल जस्ट ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, and it is very natural that the circumference will pass through these 2 points. तो हमने यहाँ क्या पढ़ा कि अगर सिंपल 8.4 है, मतलब इवन नंबर में हो, तो रेडियस यू कैन टेक इट एज 4.2 सेंटीमीटर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. लेकिन जब हमारा ऑड नंबर में हो, isn't it, like 7, 5, तो इन दैट केस यू विल हैव टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, जिसका भरपूर हम लोग फ़ायदा उठाएंगे नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में, ठीक है. अभी के लिए टाटा एंड बाबा, ओके. So let's start with exercise 29B, isn't it? In this exercise 29B, we shall be dealing with circle of a triangle, circle of a triangle, and secondly in circle of a triangle. क्या? In circle of a triangle. Now before we start this, क्यों ना मैं जरा बता दूं कि एक्सरसाइज 29A में we had studied how to construct a circle, नहीं, how to construct a circle. And how did we construct a circle? By using a radius of a circle, वहाँ ये भी मैं पढ़ा था कि diameter is equal to twice radius, 2r, means if this is a circle and if this is the center, तो ये वाला पोर्शन को बोलते हैं रेडियस, ये पूरा यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, ओके, is the diameter, and this is the circumference, okay, the path is the circumference. Now let us start with the circle of a triangle, okay. We are exclusively dealing with construction, ठीक है. तो थोड़ा सा बेटा जी पेशेंस चाहिए ही, कंस्ट्रक्शन, पेशेंस नहीं कुछ नहीं. construction of a circle, of circumcircle of a triangle. तो circumcircle of a triangle actually means, क्या mean करता है, पहले आप समझिए इस बात को. Circumcircle. So we shall deal with number 1, that अगर कोई भी सर्कल हो, कोई भी, it means that for example if this is a circle, क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है, this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle, this is a center of. Here it means that any triangle, कोई भी triangle, any triangle, okay, for example let me draw a triangle, ये वाला, okay, this is a triangle, you will be given to construct a triangle first. पहले तो बोला जाएगा कि भैया जी एक ट्रायंगल बनाइए, तो you will construct a triangle, जो आपने पहले पढ़ चुका था. Next you will be asked to draw a circle such that all the vertices of the triangle should lie on the circumference of the circle. मतलब सर्कल को बाद में बनाना है. फर्स्ट यू विल ड्रॉ ट्रायंगल, पहले क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्रायंगल, नंबर 2 देन कंस्ट्रक्ट सर्कल, वो भी कैसे करके, कैसा सर्कल, सच दैट इट्स circumference should pass through the vertices. Circumference should pass through the vertices, 3 vertices. Pass through the 3 vertices. तभी बोलते हैं circumcircle of a triangle. Now how to go for it? Let's start with exercise 29b, isn't it? We shall be starting with exercise 29b and the number is 1, where we have to construct a triangle first. तो here let's construct a triangle. देखो, जब भी कभी भी घर बनाएंगे ना, तो उसके पहले फाउंडेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. फाउंडेशन इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. So that is why a rough figure is very essential. Before you rough figure is very essential before you start constructing the circumcircle. So first you are asked to construct a triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to your 4.2 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter और AC is equal to 5 centimeter. बाद में after you construct, then they are asking you to construct a circumcircle. मतलब एक सर्कल बनाऊंगा मैं जो कि that will pass through the vertices of this particular triangle. ठीक है, तो इसके पहले let's turn on the page and do something fresh. Okay, तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ठीक है, ओके फाइन, आई विल कंस्ट्रक्ट अ सर्कल, लेकिन वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट अ सर्कल, इजंट इट, ओनली when we know its center. So how to find the center of a circle? Center of a circle circumscribing the triangle. Circumscribing the triangle. ठीक है, यही, this is the most important thing. Center मिल गया, काम खत्म. Okay, so first of all let us construct the triangle. पहले triangle तो मैं बना लूँ. So what have they said? They have said कि आप triangle बनाइए ABC. Okay, ABC, जहाँ BC आपका कितना है बाबू? BC है आपका 6 सेंटीमीटर, AB is 4.2 and AC is 5 centimeter. So I will be constructing BC first. आजा, BC मैं बनाता हूँ पहले first. How to draw BC first? You know, you will take a scale, put it over here. Okay, put it over here. Let's put, okay, मैं यहाँ पे डालूँगा और BC को 6 सेंटीमीटर मैं लूँगा. Okay, so put a point over here, I put a point over here, okay, and then we will join this. Okay, so this is your B or C मैं बना लिया. After that you will have to draw AB as 4.2 और AC as 5. तो इसके लिए first you will take these two length. तो एक काम करते हैं, let us take these two length. यहाँ से यहाँ ये हो गया 4.2, okay, और AC is 5. So from here to here is your 5 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, ये 5, ये 4.2. आ जाइए. As I said, you take this particular your compass, one measure the length of 4.2. Okay, this is 4.2, you can see. Okay, I hope you can see 4.2. AB is 4.2. So from B make an arc. Leave it as it is. जितना बड़ा है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Then take 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. I have taken 5 centimeter. You people can see 5 centimeter. And from here, let's draw another arc. So we will get a point over here as A. This is our A, point A. Let's join this. So when I'll join this, naturally I'll get a triangle. See, triangle ABC. So जो पहला काम था 50% काम हमने कर दिया. That is, I have constructed a triangle. Now they are saying that you circumscribe it. Means I have to construct a circle passing through A, B and C. इसके लिए what we have to do is, the rule says that draw the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. Perpendicular bisector of any two sides. Okay, what do you mean by perpendicular bisector? तो perpendicular bisector बनाने का तरीका है कि अगर कोई भी लाइन अगर ये दिया हुआ हो, here for example this is a line, okay, and you want to draw its perpendicular bisector. तो मैं पिछले वीडियो में बता चुका हूँ वैसे how to draw it. You will have to take a length which is more than half. For example this is half. Let's take little more than half. इसको roughly करते हैं, roughly more than half. और फिर एक ऊपर से और एक नीचे से we are going to draw the arc. फिर मैं will repeat the same thing from this side and we'll get these 2 points. So on joining these 2 points, when I'll join these two points, we say that this line is the perpendicular bisector. मतलब perpendicular भी है और इस line को आधा आधा भी बांट रहा है, isn't it? So we say it is the perpendicular bisector. ठीक है, अजी. So we shall be constructing the perpendicular bisector of any two side. मतलब इसका निकालिए या नहीं तो इसका निकालिए. So why not to take AC and BC? तो पहले BC का मैं निकालूंगा, perpendicular bisector. Okay, I'll put one point over here, or you can see this is half BC. Let us take little more than this. एक आर्क यहाँ और एक आर्क इसके नीचे. Similarly from here, one arc over here, one arc over here, isn't it? I'll get these 2 points. Okay, so the points are this and this. I'm going to join this point. So let us join these 2 points. Okay, shall I use a red pen? Yes, let us use a red pen, but you will never be using any pen. You will be using only your pencil, sharpened pencil. We'll do the same thing with AC. We'll draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. तो आ जाइए, ठीक है. ये वाला more than half है, it is more than half. एक आर्क मैं यहाँ से बनाऊंगा, here on this side, one on this side. Okay, similarly from point A. Where was our point A? This is our point A. See, okay. So I got two of the points over here. ये वाला. I got one point and one point over here, and we are going to join this also. तो मुझे join करना है इसे. Let us join. So after we join, okay, you can see that this is not 100% perfect. थोड़ा सा इधर होना चाहिए, ठीक है. So after you join, because the pointer is quite thick, that is why I told you take a sharp pencil, sharp pointed pencil. Now you people can see that these two red lines are, which are called the perpendicular bisector, they met at this particular point. ये वाला point जो आप देख रहे हैं, ये वाला, this one, this is the meeting point of these two red lines or the perpendicular bisector. इसके बाद में मैं क्या करूँगा, taking this as the center of the circle. यही हो गया आपका center of the circle. Okay, so let me mention this as O. Let me mention this as O. This is your center of the circle. मुझे इसी की ज़रूरत ही थी. So once I got this center of the circle, उसके बाद में any of the vertices, any of the vertices OB या नहीं तो OA या नहीं तो OC, किसी को का भी एक डिस्टेंस में ले लूँगा, ये वाला जो कि हमारा रेडियस बन जाता है. ओके, आई हैव टेकन OB. अच्छा, OA भी ले सकते हैं, OC, इट विल बी सेम. नाउ just rotate it and you will really find that this circle, you will be drawing the circle touching the three vertices of this triangle. इसको कहते हैं circumscribe करना, ठीक है. Now you have learned how to circumscribe. Now what new thing they will be giving to you, okay, is अलग अलग type of, देखो circumscribe का तरीका तो एक ही है. What new thing they will be giving is, they will be giving you, see my pen is falling out, which I don't like, huh? They will be giving you, where is the scale? This is the problem, okay. They will be giving you different kinds of triangle to draw. तो चलो कोई बात नहीं है, let us draw construct number 2 also. और number 2 में they are saying that you construct a triangle PQR. तो पहले foundation try करना है, okay. So PQR, this is my triangle PQR. PQR is my triangle. QR equal to 5.5 centimeter. Angle Q is equal to 60 degree and angle R equal to 45 degree. And now they are saying that you circumscribe it. तो बेटा प्रॉब्लम यही ट्रायंगल बनाने में है, बाकी तो आप जानते ही हैं, isn't it? So let us construct this triangle also, isn't it? So I'll take QR as 5.5. So let us take QR as 5.5. One point will be over here, other will be 5.5 is this, okay. This is my Q and this is R. Now for this QP I have to draw an angle of 60 degree. तो कोई बात नहीं, 60 डिग्री बनाने तो आप जानते ही हैं. Just you will have to make an arc. You will have to make an arc and then you make an arc on this arc from over here, isn't it? This is your 60 degree. Where is the scale? Okay, here is the scale. So this is your 60 degree. Aja Prabhu, aja. Yes. Okay. We'll adjust our scale such that it exactly passes through this particular point. Okay. This is my 60 degree. No problem. Similarly, I will construct 45 degree over here. तो 45 डिग्री तभी बनेगा until and unless you make और you construct 90 डिग्री. तो 90 डिग्री के लिए भी तो आप जानते ही हैं how to construct 90 degree. This is your arc. From here you will be first draw 60 degree and then again 120 degree. और ये 160 और ये 120 का फिर करेंगे आधा आधा. See, आधा आधा and then join these two lines. Okay, चलो कोई बात नहीं है. इस बार मैं प्रोट्रैक्टर ही ले लिया, जो हाथ में मिलता है वो ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है. ओके, Oh my god, the triangle is something. Oh no. What? Oh my god. This is just 90 degree. Okay, which we did not need it. तो मुझे डॉटेड लाइंस में बनाना चाहिए था. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है. Let us draw in dotted lines, isn't it? Dotted lines. Now I will have to divide this particular angle to get an angle of 45 degree. तो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 90 है ना, तो one arc and this is our next arc. तो ये हो गया आपका 45 डिग्री. दिस इज माय 45 डिग्री. आ जाइए 45 डिग्री कम 45 डिग्री. ठीक है, चलो. आई होप यू पीपल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ये हो गया P. ओके, एज आई सेड दैट वी विल हैव टू ड्रॉ, वी विल हैव टू circumscribe it. Circumscribe. And how do you circumscribe? You circumscribe by drawing the perpendicular bisector. नहीं, perpendicular bisector of any two sides. ठीक. So instead of taking this side and this side, ये खाली है, ये वाला QP और QR खाली है. So why not to take this only? Okay, so let us take this only. आ जाइए here. How to draw perpendicular bisector? By taking more than half. तो ये लाइन QR का बीच वाला ये वाला है, ये this point थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बढ़ा लेंगे. ठीक है, so it means it is more than half. Okay, now have a look. One arc, other arc. From here I am going to do the same thing. Okay, and here the same thing. I hope you people remember that this is our point. This is our point of intersection, isn't it? तो मैं इस point और इस point को मैं join करूँगा with red so that you people can clearly see it, isn't it? Okay, so this is my perpendicular bisector. Okay, now of this side QR, similarly PQ का भी. अच्छा, there are some children who are very they want more perfection in their work. Okay, what they do is they rub it, the extra arc. Please don't do that. कभी भी extra arc को rub नहीं करना है. Okay, see. Okay, no issue. From here we are going to do the same thing. यहाँ पे और ये यहाँ पे. Okay, नहीं हो रहा है तो फिर से why not to okay, where did I get the point? I got the point over here and I got the point over here. Okay, so मैं क्या करूँगा कि मैं इसे join कर दूँगा. Okay, let me join. Yes, I joined it. These are the two perpendicular bisectors. Now these two perpendicular bisectors meet at a point O जो कि हमारा center हो गया. अब इस जब center हो गया, okay, center हो गया और circle को P, Q और R से पास करना है, तो naturally this becomes your radius. ये हमारा radius हो गया, and this radius will naturally be equal to this one and the other one, isn't it? तो एक काम किया जाए बेटा जी, after taking the radius हम घुमा देते हैं इसमें, isn't it? घुमा देते हैं. Okay, you can see that in spite of using this, I got a different. I got a perfect figure. Okay, moving on to the next one. It is the next one. I hope you can do it, isn't it? तो जब next one आप बना लेंगे तो क्यों ना हम लोग 3 में जाए. Let's start with question number 3, isn't it? Question number 3. हाँ, 3 बनाते हैं. It's interesting. Why? Because 3 में so after circle we have to learn in circle of a triangle. Okay, in circle of a triangle means there should be a triangle drawn before, and then we'll have to construct a circle such that the circumference of the circle, this is the circumference of the circle, should touch the sides of the triangle. नहीं, circumference of circle should touch the sides of the triangle. देखो ये प्रॉब्लम यहाँ ट्रायंगल बनाने का नहीं है. द प्रॉब्लम इज टू फाइंड द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. अच्छा, सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल में you found that you can draw it easily by finding the perpendicular bisector of any of the two sides. लेकिन यहाँ पे there will be at least 80% of you who will make mistake in constructing the circle. पक्का एक बार आप ट्राई करके देखना, मिस्टेक होना ही होना है, isn't it? Now for that, in order to remove that mistake, what you need to do is, here I have changed the pointer of this with my pen. I have taken a very sharp pointer. So the pencil should be sharpened. Unless you sharp it properly, you will not get this particular this point. Okay, that is why I told you 80% mistake करना ही करना है. अब देखो how to find this. तो in order to find this, इसका रूल अलग है. इसका रूल है रूल नंबर वन इज to draw the bisector of any two angles. Draw the bisector of any two angles. Okay, और जो मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ बाइसेक्टर है वहां से ड्रॉप द परपेंडिकुलर. एक यहां से परपेंडिकुलर में ड्रॉ करूंगा. नंबर 2 में ड्रॉप परपेंडिकुलर कहां से? फ्रॉम मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द बाइसेक्टर. मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल्स. ओके, देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट our priority is to draw the bisector of any two angles. तो मैं ये एंगल और ये वाला एंगल को मैं लेता हूँ, isn't it? Let me see. I had already constructed this figure. Okay, just to show you. Later on we'll do this sum also. तो how to bisect the angle. तो एंगल को बाइसेक्ट करने के लिए फर्स्ट यू विल हैव टू ड्रॉ एन आर्क. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू विल डू? आफ्टर दैट from this particular point of one end of the arc, isn't it? One end of the arc, ये वाला, और from this end of the arc, ये वाला, ठीक है, ये वाला, you will get one particular point. और तो करना क्या है मुझे? ये पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट को मैं जोड़ दूंगा मैं, ठीक है. ओके, फाइन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज टू ड्रॉ द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर एंगल. तो देखते हैं यार, इसका भी करके हो सके मिल जाए. आई टोल्ड यू 80% विल मेक सम मिस्टेक. दैट इज वाई यू विल हैव टू डू विथ ग्रेट प्रिसिशन. मतलब बिना कोई गलती का. ये रही, मुझे तो मिल गया, isn't it? So I got this particular point. मुझे यहाँ पॉइंट मिला. अब ये पॉइंट once you have once you drew the bisector of these two angles, after that you will have to drop a perpendicular from यहाँ से यहाँ. तभी तो only then you can take the radius, isn't it? जब तक आप नहीं तो what will happen? Someone will take the distance from here till here, जो कि मिलेगा गलत. कोई यहाँ लेगा, कोई यहाँ लेगा. So that will be wrong. So that's why we drop a perpendicular. And how do we drop a perpendicular? Please have a look. From this particular point, यू हैव टू ड्रॉप ए परपेंडिकुलर ऑन दिस लाइन। तो इस लाइन से थोड़ा सा नीचे निकाल लीजिए। यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, सी हियर, ओके। जस्ट टेक, ब्रिंग इट बिलो दिस लाइन। उसके बाद में मेक an arc. This is an arc over here, okay. After you take this arc, what you need to do is, this point is already there, so no need to move your arc on the top. आप नीचे में ही इसको बाइसेक्ट कीजिए, यहाँ से यहाँ, एंड दिस एंड, ये वाला एंड जो देख रहे हैं ना, हो गया ये वाला, ठीक है। नाउ join these two points. ये point and ये point should be joined. So when you join it, this becomes your bisector. Sorry, not bisector, perpendicular. So from perpendicular, from the center you have dropped a perpendicular on this line. और ये जो perpendicular का जो length देख रहे हैं ना, ये OD लेते हैं. This is your A, B and C. ये वाला OD मैं लेता हूँ, ये वाला OD. ये OD जो है, this is your radius in fact. बस यहाँ से घुमा देना है, ओके, यहाँ से घुमा देना है, यू विल गेट द सर्कल, गेट द इन सर्कल ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल. सो लेट अस डू वन. ओके, यहाँ तो मैं पहले से बना के रखा था. ओके, लेट अस सी कि हमारा क्या हाल होगा कालिया, इजंट इट. लेट अस सी दैट इफ आई आल्सो मेक द सेम मिस्टेक. इन नंबर 3 व्हाट वी हैव, तो देखिए तो नंबर 3 में कह रहा है यहाँ पे, कंस्ट्रक्ट ए ट्रायंगल ए बी सी विथ ए बी इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. थोड़ा सा मैं फाउंडेशन बना लेता हूँ, ठीक है, घर बनाना है ना, डायरेक्ट ईंटा की जोड़ाई तो होगी नहीं. ए बी इज़ 5 सेंटीमीटर, ए बी सी, ए बी 5 सेंटीमीटर, एंगल बी इज़ इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री और बी सी 6.4 सेंटीमीटर है. तो पहले तो मैं ट्रायंगल फटाक से मैं बनाऊंगा. बी सी इज़ इक्वल टू 6.4. तो बाबू देखो, बी सी इक्वल टू 6.4 आ जाइए. दिस इज़ 1 पॉइंट एंड दिस इज़ 5 6, दैट इज़ 6.4 इज़ हियर. सो बी सी, दिस इज़ माई बी एंड दिस इज़ माई सी एज 6.4 सेंटीमीटर. 6.4 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ कंस्ट्रक्ट 60 डिग्री. तो आ जाइए भाई, 60 डिग्री भी मैं बना ही लेता हूँ विदाउट एनी लैप्स ऑफ टाइम. ओके, 60 डिग्री आ जा. डोंट डिस्टर्ब दिस, दैट इज़ वाई दिस शुड बी टाइटन. ओके, नहीं तो लूज रखिएगा तो फिर लूज कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा, लूज मार्क्स मिलेगा, सब कुछ लूज हो जाएगा ना. This is my 60 degree. So I have constructed an angle of 60 degree. यार दिखाई भी नहीं देता ठीक से. हाँ ठीक है, 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Now AB is 5 centimeter. तो मैं 5 centimeter ले लेता हूँ यहाँ पे. Here from here till here is my 5 centimeter. तो after you have marked these 2 points, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ ऐसे, this is 5 centimeter. सो लेट मी कट 5 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, ज़्यादा तेज नहीं बनना है कि स्केल से ही यहाँ पे मेजर कर लेंगे. नो मार्क्स फॉर दैट. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑब्जर्व्ड. सो दिस इज़ माई 5 सेंटीमीटर और यही दिस इज़ ए. दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इज़ माई ए, इजंट इट. ये है हमारा, ये हो गया ए. ओके, नाउ लेट अस जॉइन. सो आई एम गोइंग टू जॉइन दीज 2 पॉइंट्स ऑफ ए, पॉइंट ए एंड पॉइंट सी. Okay, till here you will not have any problem. The problem will lie when you will start constructing the angle, bisector of the angles. तो एक काम करते हैं, ये तो आर्क पहले से ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. So no need to draw another arc over here. You can divide here only. ओहो, और यहाँ से बाबूजी देखो तो क्या बात है, ये वाला. ठीक, आई गॉट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. स्केल लेके इसको जोड़िए. ओके, चलो, आई हैव डन माई जॉब. ठीक है, ना लेट अस ड्रॉ दिस वन. फाइंड द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस एंगल. तो बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस एंगल भी मैं निकाल ही लेता हूँ. ठीक है, ओके, फर्स्ट आई विल मेक एन आर्क और फिर यहाँ से इस particular point से one arc, okay, and from this particular point another arc. So I got this point. इसको ध्यान में देना है, इसे ध्यान देना है, इसे ध्यान में नहीं देना है, ध्यान देना है इस पे, ठीक है. So here these are the two bisectors. So these are the two bisectors, this and this, which met at this particular point. ठीक है, ठीक है. ये पॉइंट देख बेटा, गलती हो जाएगा, मुझे दिखाई भी नहीं देता है. दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, चलो, दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इज माई ओ. Now from here I will drop a perpendicular, okay, drop not draw, drop a perpendicular. तो ये काम करता हूँ, draw, let me drop a perpendicular. देखो मैंने आर्क बनाया. अच्छा, no need to cut it on the top, क्योंकि because you will get the same point. आपने नीचे में ही कट कीजिए, ओके. here you can see fine, और फिर यहीं से आप ले लीजिए, यहाँ से. Okay, so I got this point. Why not to join it? Why not to join it? तो मैं join करूँगा इसे. हाँ, this is my perpendicular. This is the radius, नहीं, this is the radius of the circle. तो हमने इसको ले लिया, radius को ले लिया. You can see I have taken the radius. This is the, I hope is very very clear. ये मैंने radius लिया यहाँ से यहाँ, isn't it? अब जरा सा देखता हूँ कि if I get, oh my god, I should get the correct answer, otherwise again they will start commenting. चलो कोई बात नहीं है, नहीं 100%, at least at least I can see that my 97% is correct. So here I have constructed, I have drawn the in circle of the triangle, ठीक है. Similarly in number 5 also, number 5 you can do it yourself, which says that construct a triangle PQR. This is PQR, okay, in which PQ, QR and RP all are 5.7 and 5.7 centimeter, ठीक है. Draw the in circle. So you know what to do. First you will construct the triangle. After you construct the triangle, you will have to draw the bisector of these angles, okay, bisector of these angles, these two angles, okay, these two angles, and then from the meeting point you will have to drop a perpendicular. So when you will drop a perpendicular, this will become your radius of the circle, okay. And then using this, taking this as the radius of the circle, okay, taking this as the radius of the circle, ठीक है. क्या करना है बाबू, बस कुछ नहीं करना है, घुमा देना है. नहीं, आ जाइए, देते हैं घुमा. ओहो माय गुडनेस, विदाउट स्केल, है ना. दिस वॉज मोर परफेक्ट. चलो कोई बात नहीं है. आई होप आई हैव बीन एबल टू make this particular chapter understand. Now try to do yourself, try to do it yourself. You practice, okay. Until unless you practice, you won't learn.